Okay, now that you have done a few things, I'm going to take you all the way back to the beginning when we started this journey. So far, you have created your business vision, you've created goals, you have turned those goals into actionable tasks, you understand the planning methodology that I've walked you through. Those tasks need to be complete within a 2-week period. So you now have all the techniques and tools that that enable you to do effective planning with your business. I'm going to go back to this slide here, which is about your roadmap. Earlier, I used the example of a goal for a 6-month period. There were other goals on that page, which for a year, I would discourage you from planning a year and ahead. This is because things change, and it's all very well to say that for 2024 I'm going to achieve a major goal. But if you want to get specific, you need to not look too far out into the future. And this again comes from the Scrum methodology, which is so much can happen to you, your business, to people around you. So many different environmental factors that you have to take into consideration that things will throw you off course. So we don't plan too far out into the future. We plan specifically and in detail in very short bursts. And what you have to remember is that you need to focus on reviewing and inspecting your progress regularly. At the end of every 2-week period, if we go to the Scrum methodology again, you'll see there is a sprint review, and at the bottom here it says sprint retrospective. You can't see under there, but it says sprint retrospective. So these 2 points do 2 things. First, you look at what you've created. What have you created in the past 2 weeks? Have you done nothing? Then, that's a problem. And then you also want to identify successes and learnings and change things. Don't doggedly try to do the same thing if it's not working for you. You will have to look back, what worked, what didn't work. Ask yourself those questions, because then your planning for the future will just naturally be better. It is really nice to have something in the diary that recognizes this as a specific thing to do, rather than, okay, I did that, I need to change the way I do things. Especially if you're working in a team, that feedback, that constant, how do we communicate, what are we going to do better, is really important. And this is your final lesson. So if you take everything that I have given you over the past 4 lessons and include this one, it's regularly review and inspect. Regularly set yourself milestones where you can celebrate particular events, that you can understand where your progress is, tick that off, check how you're doing compared to how you said you would do. And you will find that this will be an encouraging exercise, as daunting as it might seem. If you do that regularly, every 2 weeks, and check your goals, you are set up for success. And I wish you lots of luck in the future. Let me know if you have any questions. You can join my Facebook group. We can answer questions on strategy, how you want to, anything on goals or time management. Reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help. Thank you very much. Goodbye.